My name is P. Kanyapan. I passed out from Great Lakes in 2007 from the second batch of Executive MBA program. I am the Managing Director of WAPCO India. I was actually heading the operations in Sundaram Clayton Limited, which is a part of the TVS Group. I realized if at all I have to grow in my career, I need to improve my understanding of functions other than operations. So I was looking for a MBA program. Great Lake I chose mainly because it was very flexible, because it was a trimester type of program. Within every 3 months, I need to only come here for about 9 days, and then it is designed more for people who are working in the industry. More so, my company at the time was actually looking at going for globalization. Essentially, our global partner was about to take the majority position within this business, which means I need to have a better understanding of globalization or globalization related aspects as part of my curriculum. So when I went through the curriculum that was actually presented by Great Lakes, it was more or less matching with what I was looking for. So that's the reason why I chose this program. The Great Lakes MBA program gave me a different experience from what I have been experiencing as part of my career, which is largely related to the manufacturing related environment in the shop floor. Whereas what I got in Great Lakes was a blend of people from IT industry, manufacturing industry, banking industry, and type. I get to work with people from different industries. That was the first positive impact which it had in me. The second aspect is the professors. Most of the professors are from the US. What I was looking for essentially to have an appreciation of the issues related to globalization and particularly related to marketing and finance related issues from a global perspective. So this is the type of issues we have been dealing with in the classes, which was very energizing and motivating for me to participate fully in this program. Effectively helped me to move up from an operations leader to a business leader. Simultaneously, during that time, we were discussing with our global partner to integrate the India business to a part of the global network. It was so again the need for me is to actually to familiarize and understand the global issues, and again this significantly helped me to get an appreciation of all those issues. So thereby, actually, as soon as I completed this program, I got an opportunity to lead the business as a business leader. So I was appointed as the country business leader and managing director of WAPCO India, which essentially was earlier Sundaram Clayton Brakes division. So learning from this program, whatever I've learned from this program, not only helped me to secure this job, but also helped me to drive this business to a great success. Today, WAPCO India is one of the major success within the WAPCO world, for which I would like to I also use this opportunity to put many of my direct reports into this program so that they get the same level of understanding and appreciation which I could get through this MBA program. Overall, this has been a major contribution to drive the WAPCO India business to a successful business.